Cervical cancer survivor Pam Stromey has made it her mission to raise awareness about the importance of pre-screening for all women in North Dakota.
That's right, and Adrienne Oglesby, she spoke with her and shares her story.
Pam Stromey was diagnosed with cervical cancer in 2004. She was a busy mom, had just started a new job, had 3 kids in school, her youngest being an 8th grader, but she says she was tired.
Every mom is tired. I was fortunate enough, I worked at a clinic. They did blood draws at the time where they would schedule people to come in to have blood draws. So I scheduled one, and 3 weeks later, I was diagnosed with cervical cancer. 10 days after that, I was in Rochester having surgery, and it was an aggressive enough cancer that the doctor at Rochester said if I had been treating symptoms, I wouldn't have made it.
It was through being a cancer survivor that Stromey got involved with the Cancer Society and began to volunteer for Women's Way, a breast and cervical cancer early detection program offered in different locations in North Dakota. Shirtsy Hintz, the coordinator of Women's Way, says cervical cancer is not the most prevalent here, but it is just as important to be screened, just to be sure.
Do the testing, and you, in between those 3 to 5 years, you do have some symptoms, and those symptoms could be a wide variety of things that are kind of general, like Pam talks about in her story. They could be, not feeling well. It could be maybe a discharge, maybe some abnormal bleeding that you haven't had before, pain of any sort in the pelvic area. Those are symptoms that you are going to want to report and get checked out.
The goals of Women's Way are not just to inform and screen, but to take the pressure off those who maybe have had symptoms and couldn't afford the cost of screenings. If you qualify, the bill is something that Women's Way will take care of completely.
That you have to take care of you, because if you don't take care of you now, there won't be a you later.
Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, I'm Adrienne Oglesby.
And the program at Women's Way has been around now since 1997, and it helps to cover the cost of both cervical and breast cancer screenings.